What up, what up, what up? It's your boy. As usual, I just got off live stream. Took an entry. I don't know why that happens, but it was slow dragging this morning. But I took a small two contract entry on this push down on NASDAQ. I don't know if it's going to go up, but I'm bullish. Took a one contract on oil. Should have been reversed. Should have taken two on oil and one on NASDAQ just because, again, it's been slow motion. But we'll see what's going to happen. If it comes back here and starts to break, I'll close out, and vice versa. So just small risks. I took a big L last week, gave back $1,000 to the market, and that hurt me. So just going to slow grind my way back to where I was. I was at 1,500. Now I'm at 500, unfortunately. So I'm hopefully slow grind my way back on up into profit on my way to the $3,000 target, which would be what I need to pass the Topstep 50K challenge. I don't like what's happening over here on oil. But again, I took a small risk. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. I'm bearish on oil right now. So I'm gonna stop rambling, just let it go and do what it's gonna do. If you're still watching, which I hope you are, if you just jumped on, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I would surely appreciate it. But that's it, that's all. Let's see what happens. So my stops are the break of this candle on NQ and the highs over here on oil. So I'll put them in later. But just want to watch and see what happens before I throw the stop losses on. I was a little early on my oil entry, so we'll see. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. Sorry if you get some noise in the background. It's garbage day, so close this window. Yeah, I was a little early on my oil entry, so we shall see. Nas ain't looking too good. NASDAQ ain't looking too good. Look at doggone oil right at my entry. Look, I mean, would you look at that? It ain't looking good. So we just gonna see what happens. Small risk. Small risk on both of these. So we'll see. All right, so we back in profit. NASDAQ is moving nicely. Oil is back at my my entry. I may just close that sucker. I don't like what's happening with it. I mean, it did break lows, but was that I don't know. We'll see. But just wanted to give a quick update. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Is oil going to drop for me and NASDAQ keep buying? Let's cross our fingers. Nope, we claiming W's. We'll see what happens. All right, I don't like what oil is doing. We're looking at the 1 minute. Let's look at the 5. Yeah, I mean, that's a strong candle there. I don't like that, so. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna close that. I'm gonna just put my stop where I wanted it. Trade, buy, stop. So whatever happens there, so I can focus on NASDAQ. I'm gonna give it one little bitty. That's it, whatever. So whatever that is. All right, let's see what happens. We'll come back. Okay, it looks like we're about to get stopped out on oil. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. So, yep, we're out on oil. All right, that's what it is. See what the 15 looks like. Yeah, looking pretty strong. I'm not looking for buys until we break above here. So let me put an alert. Break and close above, retest. That's what I'll be looking for on NASDAQ or oil. But I'm gonna keep watching NASDAQ, see if it continues up, and I'll be back. My bad, y'all. I walked away. Closed out one. one contract and got a runner. As you can see, we're up 127 and it's just going. Everything in me told me not to take the runner. I'm sorry, everything told me not to close the one, but I closed when price hit this target here. This was my first target. So I closed there. Price came back, retested here. Had this been Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I'd have added a position, but because it's Monday and it's been moving slow, sorry, it's my alert letting me know I've reached this all-time high. But had this been Tuesday or another day, or even, you know, major movement or big movement, I would not have, I'm sorry, I would have entered another contract here. Let's look at what the 1 minute says. Yeah, so I would have entered another contract on this engulfing here, but, you know, it's been slow. So I didn't want to take a chance. So right now I'm just going to let this run. I'm going to go back to this 5 minute because that 1 minute will mess me up. I want to see a push, retrace, form some sort of consolidation, and then continuation. Then I'll move my stop. Maybe. I might just close it now because, like I said, I took a big loss on Friday. So I want to get some of this back. I may just close it out. But just want to give a quick update, and if I do close it, I'll come back and let you know. Actually, instead of playing the 5 minute, I think I'm gonna play the 1 minute. Let me get this alert off because that's gonna bug me. Delete. Yes. So I think I'm going to trail the 1 minute. I don't know. I always say that, and then I come back later after getting stopped out, and prices just ran away. So I don't know. I think I'll just take the money because I got to get some of this back. And I'd hate for this mug to come all the way back and take me out and then lose $117 that I could have added to the account. So yeah, I'm gonna trail. I'm gonna trail this 1 minute. Put this on the 5. I really would prefer to trail the 5 minute, but I'm expecting this to come back and test this area. I don't want that to happen though. What do I do? What do I do? Entry was somewhere in here. I'll go back and look later. But it was somewhere in here. So I mean, that's a nice win, right? That would have been nice. Let's see, where did we actually get in at? Let me watch this first, because, man, you know what? I'm closing.
Order canceled.
All right, so that's it. I didn't want to give back anything. Like I said, had a terrible day yesterday, or Friday. Look at this. Nah, I'm good. I'm good on that pullback. If it comes, it's Friday. I'm not going to re-enter. That's it. That's all. It's a W. Let's see what we up for the day. 166. Total profit, we're at 148 because we took an $18 loss on oil. Matter of fact, let's see what oil actually did. This mug, I had my stop just above. I had it right about here at 82, 86. Tapped me out and it looked like it's gonna drop. But I'm not taking anything else today. We got to win. We're gonna slowly climb back into our challenge on our way to 3K. That's it. That's all. It's a W. Your boy, Mr. Bankable. All right, quick update just to come back and let you know what I predicted. And I don't want to say predicted, but we know the market repeats itself, creates patterns, kind of predictable, somewhat. But anyway, as I said, price was having trouble breaking above these highs from last week. I'm on the 1. So these were the highs as of Friday. Price did break above, came back, shot up, trouble. So I said I got out here after this big bearish push, and I said price is probably going to come back here, retest to continue up, but I wouldn't be getting back in, which I should have. But I didn't. But just wanted to come back and let you know, yeah, price did what I thought it would do. And that's one of the problems I have, is because I do believe that price is somewhat predictable, retest areas, but I have struggled staying in trades. Like I should have moved my stop, waited for this pullback, stop here to stay in a trade. But that's something I'm working on, right? We all have to go through that learning phase, the phase of trusting our analysis or what have you. So that's where I'm at. I can see the trade, I can call the trade. I just have trouble staying in the trade. So this move might come back or whatever. We're looking at the 1 minute. And with oil, as I mentioned, oil came back. I had my stop at 82.86. You can see it tapped that area to continue down. So I'm a little bit upset with that. I should have had my stop a little higher and I'd still be in this trade. But instead, I took a small $18 loss. And again, something I struggle with, having my stops a little too tight. So going forward, I have it a little bit higher because I did say it might tap me out to continue down. So two things I called out, both happened. Just have to be more, what's the word I'm looking for? I have to be more, I can't find the word I'm looking for. I have to trust my analysis. That's what I'm trying to say. So that's it. That's all. I wanted to come back, give the update. It's your boy, Mr. Bankable. We got a small W. We back in the game. We out.